Isixwayiso samahhala zihlobo zami ezithandekayo. Elderly people are not a burden to you, my children. They are a blessing from the above. Khumbula ngazo zonke izikhathi ukuthi nawe uzoguga ufane nabo. Bagugiswe yini naba bantu? Bagugiswe nguwe, bekudingela ikusasa eqhakazekile. Khumbula ukuthi these people were not born with a silver spoon in their mouths. They started from scratch. Konke abanakho bakusebenzele bakuginqele. Nawe imbala bakuginqele. Ukuthi bekunikeze ikusasa eqhakazekile. I know intsha yanamuhla inalento yokuthi if anything slows them down, they leave it behind. Ningabashiyi emuva abazali benu, ogogo benu, nabo bonke abantu uThixo alibusise ngabo. Abantu naba uma sebephela amandla balidinga more. Khumbula nawe kusasa uzoguga ufane nabo. Kungenzeka uma uhleli nabo ethebulini usidla badla bechitha izandla zabo ziyaqhuqa. The same hands that held you yesterday with love and comfort. The same hands that worked for you. The same hands eziqhuqa namhlanje ngoba ziphela amandla ukuthi wena ube nekusasa eqhakazekile. Elderly people are a blessing from the above. Kumele sibacherishe laba bantu. Come rain or sunshine. Isizwe esingenabo abantu abadala sifana nomthombo ongenawo amanzi okuphuza. There is a lot you can learn from these people. Their stories are so rich. Ukufunda kupheli bantu bami. Kodwa hlalani nisazi ukuthi whatever you do to these elderly people, your children shall give it back to you with interest. Kuyakujabulisa ukuthi lokhu okwenza ebazalini bakho, ingane zakho zikwenze kuwe sokuphindene. Cabangisise ngazo zonke izikhathi. Uma ucabanga ukuthi abantu abadala they are a burden to you. Inkosi ibe nawe mntanami. Ikwandisele kukho konke okwenzayo. Ikuphakamise kubeke emazingeni efuna ukubeka kuwo. Kodwa ungakhohlwa lapho uvela khona. Nabantu abayibo uThixo abasebenzisile ukuthi ube yilokho oyikho khona namhlanje. Ngiyabonga.